just assumed I'd play the part of keeping you in the right direction. No matter how your confidence may fall, I'll be here as your foundation. I say, hey, yo, just let it go. Your struggles will remain. And I say, hey, yo.
What's up YouTube, it's LILT with Techaholics, back at it again with another video. In this video, I'm going to be showing y'all how to boost your phone speakers two different ways. So let's get it in. Alright, so first things first, I'm going to show y'all that this is running the newest Android, and then I'll show y'all how to do this. Alright, so first things first, let me go ahead, let me show y'all. This is running Android 9, and it is the One UI. So, go on to software information. See right there, Android version 9, and it's the One UI. So it is basically new. Or it is the newest update to this Android device, and as y'all know, I always use my S9 Plus for these videos because that's the only Android phone or device that I have to actually do this with. So if you have a regular Android, this should work. I'm not too sure. This is why y'all are here, so y'all can give me y'all's feedback and y'all can help me out so I can get better knowledge, because I don't have the money to actually go and buy every Android device and try this out. So y'all are here for, you know, helping me out, helping the channel out, helping each other out. So if you can, go ahead and leave a comment down in the comment section if this does work, if it doesn't work, you know, just so we can get a little bit of feedback and just so we can help each other out. So if you do have a Galaxy device, you want to go ahead and you want to go into, you want to go ahead and you want to go into the Galaxy store. And you want to look up an application called Sound Assistant. You could do this two different ways. You could either do it through Sound Assistant, or you can do it through the settings itself. So let me go ahead and let me show y'all through the settings. So you just go into the settings, you go to where it says accessibility, and you'll see where it says advanced settings. I think, no, my bad. It's hearing and enhancements. It's on the advanced settings on the other one. And then you see where it says mono audio. I know people are going to be like, oh, it's only made for one ear, but for some reason this boosts your volume. I don't know why, I can't explain it, but for some reason it does do it. So yes, it is, mono means one. It does use only one speaker, or it's supposed to, but like I said, in this case it does boost it, and I'll show y'all here in a little bit. So mono audio is what you're looking for. So through the other application, through Sound Assistant, you want to go to it. Whoop, my bad, I did not mean to hit that. Whoop, I didn't mean to turn that on either. Okay, so whenever you open it up, it will look like this. And what you want to do is you want to scroll down to where it says Advanced Settings. And where it says Mono Audio, you want to turn it on. And that's it. But this is only used for your phone. You cannot use this with earphones or anything else. This will make it sound less, like it will have less quality to it, because obviously you're not supposed to be using it like that. But for, like I said, for some reason it works on my phone. I don't know if it's going to work for your phone or not, but this is just an idea. So don't use it for headphones or speakers. This will not boost it at all. So don't use that. So yeah, so anyways, with the mono audio, let me show y'all real quick that this does work. I'll turn it off, and I'll go back into the application I was using, which was Pandora. And this was a song I was listening to. So, or it's in the beginning. So I'll play a little clip of it with it not boosted, and I'll boost it while it's playing just so y'all can see that it does work.
just assumed I'd play the part of keeping you in the right direction. No matter how your confidence may fall, I'll be here as your foundation. And I say, hey.
Like I said, please don't ask me how this works. I don't know. I just found out the idea one day whenever I was just messing around with my phone like how I always do, and it actually worked, and I was like, wow, you know, that would be really nice to share with my YouTube channel. So honestly, I don't know how it works because, like I said, mono means one. It should only work on one speaker. But what it seems like it does is that it boosts this top speaker. Like if you listen very closely, you can hear that it makes this one a lot louder. It gives it more bass, it gives it more treble. You know, it gives it more of that like audio that you want. And I noticed too, whenever I updated my phone to the latest version, it did take away an option that I had in the previous version for my calling, where it would boost my calling. So this does work for that as well, but like I said, do not use it on stereo headphones. For some reason it doesn't work, so that you don't want to do. But if you're looking to boost it with stereo, this is your next option. So let me make sure that this is turned off, because you don't want to have this running at the same time, because obviously it's not going to work. Okay, so that's turned off. So what you want to do is you do want to download this application. I had it in my previous boost video. This application you do want. So if I go into where it says boost, well, I keep on going into the wrong things. So let me find it right now. Okay, so this is the version that you want. So as always, you know, links to this stuff will be in the description of the video, unless if you don't have a Galaxy device. I'm not too sure if the other option will work. You can try the mono audio on your device. I don't know if it will work. You know, like I said, for some reason this is working on my device. But the version that you want is 2.01.1. This one right here. If you use any newer version, this will not work that I know of. I've seen y'all post comments that this doesn't work. That's probably why, but you do want this version. I think that whenever they updated the app, somehow it doesn't work with the newer Android devices, but you do want to use an older application just in case. If it worked before, or if it just recently stopped working, you want to go ahead and downgrade that application. So let me show y'all that this is working as well. So this was actually on the whole time. My bad, I didn't know that. But yeah, so I'll go ahead and I'll show y'all that this does work again, just to give y'all clarification, because like I said, I don't want y'all thinking that I manipulated it in some type of way like how some people think, because I don't manipulate my videos at all. I may edit them, but I don't manipulate anything. So this is it with the first mono option, and then I'll show y'all with the stereo option.
Hold on,
And another thing to note too, that if you did notice how it makes that crackling noise whenever I turn it up, it is kind of annoying, but what you're doing is that you're turning up audio, on the device. So I think that it has something to do with the fact that you're not supposed to be doing that, obviously, because they only make these speakers to put out a certain amount of audio, and then you're kind of like hacking it to make it go a little bit louder, if you would say. So honestly, that's going to happen. If it does work, then or if it does happen, then you know that it is going to work. So honestly, I wouldn't really say anything bad about it. Just don't turn it up too loud. I keep mine between like 15 to 25, somewhere around that range, maybe 30. You don't want to turn it up too loud. Like if you want to go 100%, you're going to distort your audio very, very badly. So if this does work, let me know in the comments. If it doesn't work, go ahead and let me know. Let me know what device that you're using, just so we can be able to get a better idea of what you're using to try to boost your phone. But as always, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.